So this is kind of what we're looking at. I'm really looking to have a run on buy stops. That's what I want to happen. But I'm so freaking bullish right now. But yeah, we had news at 10 o'clock. And again, absolutely nothing happened. Like, it was red folder news and nothing happened. So right now, NQ is 413 points. Green right now. This could just be a no trade day though. Now I did see this very small setup on my practice account, but still that's not A plus. It's like I'm not taking that 1,000 times over. And really, I'm not taking anything I've seen today 1,000 times over. Today's been doo-doo. It's like we keep having this 10 o'clock, 10:30 news. And, bro, we had a rally last night for 400 freaking points. Look at this. Look at this. 420-point move out of nowhere from a huge run on sell stops. Buy side is right there. We end up taking that. So it's like, okay, so I thought that was like a yeah, it is construction people outside. Okay, I thought I was going crazy. But yeah, man, I don't. Like, are we going to really prepare for another 100-something point move? I think we can just have a run on buy stops right here. That's my prediction. Oh, man. And so we have a true SMT divergence right now with the ES and NQ as well. I think I got to do it, bro. That's a 25-point stop. And we can just go 1 to 1.5. Oh, bro, I want to take this so bad.
Order filled.
Alright, and I really want to target this gap down here. I don't think we're going to go up anymore. Hell, I'm good with that. I'm perfectly fine with that if we can get down there. Dang, bro. Alright, I gotta build up a cushion to be able to I've got to build a cushion to be able to risk a little bit higher. That is literally where I'm effing seeing this. And I think right here on live account, I'm going to go break even. I don't like this stuff. I don't like this trade. Bro, this is the freaking... Alright. This is probably going to bite me in the ass, but I just don't like this trade. We failed to make a... No. Okay. So we have made a market structure shift on ES. I'm just telling you guys, it is too early to have this rally. It is too early. We're going to see this thing come back up and take out this high. Actually, hold on, bro. Hold on. Hold on. Dollar has went up a crap ton. All right. Dollar has went up a crap ton. We have made a market structure shift right here on ES, indicating that we want to go lower as well. And we had a freaking run on buy stops. Nah, bro. This trade, this is a freaking A+ setup. Once we go lower than right here, I'm moving stop to break even, and I'm off. All right, deal or no deal. Get out right now, $500 on a trade I don't really like, but I gotta let this run. It's a game of probabilities, man, and I would take this trade 1,000 times over. I would have taken that. That's a run on buy stops. It's beautiful. That's a good trade. No impulse entries. Sticking to the plan.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Run it out, boy. Run it out. Run it out. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So that is going to be the freaking trade of the day. Awesome, man. Run on buy stops. A+ entry. Oh, bro. Now I can go to sleep, man. All right. Let me do some journaling. Um. All right. All right. I really want to get in the bed, and I'm tired. If this thing drops back down to $300, I might just have to take that. Damn, I should have took that. Just go lower, pump, 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 pump.
Order filled.
2.4 RR on the day. Beautiful. I know I probably should have waited, but dude, I really want to go take a nap. I'm really tired. All right, so let's go over the whole basis for this entry real quick. So on the hour, we swept buy side completely. I was extremely bullish going into today. We had a 400 point move last night, and that was basically all just to get us right here. So what we were doing also was filling in a 15-minute gap on top of a 5-minute gap, which we have now filled to perfection, right? Um, so that was the whole move for today for me. That is what my setup told me. So we literally just swept, and I like this price action right here. This right here is simple manipulation to get in buyers. As soon as we close back below that, solidifies your manipulation. Then from there, it's just following your risk. And this trade had a stop loss of $30. Or dude, see, I'm freaking tired. Of this stop loss was 30 points, so that follows my risk. I could have, I don't know. So that was $665. If I would have risked 10 contracts, that would have been I don't know, dude. I can't do math right now. But anyways, beautiful trade, great trade for today due to volatility, and it would not surprise me if we came all the way back down to 830. But this right here is where I made my money, and so it's like I'm kind of let me show you guys this. This is like my journal, right? So like every single day I will journal open, high, low, close, and then from there it's like what am I seeing? Like let's go over the 27th. Open, high, low, close, slightly bullish, missed the breaker block entry, no trade. Took a loss on July 8th. Open, high, low, close was bearish. Respected daily gap, etc. So like that's some type of things that I journal just to give me like, hey man, this was what happened today. Like if I'm going through a rough patch, it's like, okay, well I have my notes that I journaled to where I can look back. And yeah, so that right there was the last initial gap, whatever that I was looking for. Cool. So right trade idea, right everything. Today was perfect. Let's freaking go. Open high, low, close was bullish. DXY was bearish. Respecting daily gap. Run on buy stops for 1 to 2 are. And that's gonna be it, man. Hope you guys enjoyed and found this insightful. And I will be back to trade tomorrow, and hopefully we can get some good freaking news. All right, peace. Love you guys. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye.